right, down, left, up. Reverse, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. Now we are going to move our shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Elbows reverse. Elbow round. 1. Go slowly back and touch the elbows up. Back. Come back. Touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now arm rotation slowly. 1, 2, 3. We are going to go slow and take small rounds, and after that we increase the size of the circle. So we'll start 1, 2, 3, 4, little bigger, 5, 6, 7, 8, big, 1, 2, 3, 4, reverse, same order, 1, 2, 3, 4, smaller, 3, 4, 5, 6, slow, very small, 3, 4. Okay. Now waist, right, go slow, 2, 3, 4. Reverse, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to move our leg. Rotate your legs, right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are going to kick our legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now backward kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On your toes and on your heels. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Now we are going to hop, hop and hop, hop and hop, 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 hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to do opposite kick, opposite hand and opposite leg. So I'm kicking my right leg and taking my left hand. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. We start with Chogada. Yes? Everyone ready? Isha, do you have Chogada song with you?
Yes, I do have.
Will you please play for us?
Yes, 1 second.
And did you find the other song also?
No,
Yes.
Jenny, the other song you have shared the wrong file with us. I don't think it's the
No,
one.
my dear, it's the same file I am playing.
Baba, I have only one file. I've shared that with Isha.
I'll play.
Okay.
Just look at it if it's fine or not.
Yeah, this is a Chogada, yes.
वही जाए रात बात माने माथे पर शेरे परवान हो खड़ा तारा ओरे छबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग फेरू सुएता वाट रंग लो चमकाली दरी ने घाट चौगाड़ा तारा हो અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे होई गई रात અને ભૂલો બધી વાત પ્રેમની આ મૌસમ છે अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनी आ मौसम छे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा चौगाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग वेद जुए तारी बात चौगाड़ा तारा ओरे छबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग वेद जुए तारी बात रे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा चौगाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग वेद जुए तारी बात चौगाड़ा तारा ओरे छबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग वेद जुए तारी बात रे
Nice. Now the next one we are taking is the Garba using props. Ready? You want to have a sip of water? You may. Then we start on with the second one. Yes? Are you all ready? Great.
I have the Garba using props, the song.
Yeah, but let me hear that. Which one you played was not the right one.
Oh,
It's this one. The same one which I am playing, the same file.
Jenny, can you play it again one sec? Is it that play it once?
See, this is the one they were.
Okay, I think I know what the problem is. Isha, I'm sending you the new file. I think there are two files, Jenny, with the same name. I'll share the new file.
Okay, by the time I'll start with this, no issue. So we are going to take our dupattas ready and our pillows also ready. One pillow For the new ones, I've taken my dupatta, tied 2 knots on the ends. Both the ends are tied with knots. Holding it like this. Yeah. Turn. Okay. So, any questions, any queries before we move forward? All okay? All okay, everyone? Great.
Ma'am, if you want, I can play the song.
Let me hear, please, Isha.
Okay, 1 second.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Isha, my name is Jaini.
Okay.
Please.
Yeah.
I feel more comfortable. Okay, so let's begin one more time and then the new one. Chalo.
बैठा बादलड़ी बरसी रे सरोवर छली बळ्या हे चोटीले डाकला वाग्याच्या मुंडा मना चोटीले डाकला वाग्या હે મારો સોનાનો ઘડુલો રે.
Okay, now we are here. One leg is on the dupatta and we are here. The last is this. Now we are going to just put it here. Again do maro sona no and put the other leg also. Okay, gradually you have to take 8 counts, maybe 10 counts is okay. You can take comfortably, put both your feet, both your legs on the dupatta and hold it like this. Okay. Okay, everyone. Yeah. Now, after this, when you are ready, you just count and tell me that count, that many count will take. And after that, we are going to cross and bend 1, 2, straight, back, straight. 1, 2, straight, back, 2. You can put your hands as much as you can. पीछे जितना पीछे जाएगा उतना आप ले लो. So bend and straight. आगे cross, straight. Twice we are going to do. And after that we are going to turn like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Anyone? Any confusion? Great. Okay. So let's start with the counts first. You'll try and adjust in 8 counts if possible. You're already one leg is here. I hope you all can see my feet. Yeah. Now, once the music starts, you're going to say 1, continue 2, 3, 4, 5. Balance yourself properly. 6, 7, 8. And you're going to do 1, 2, back, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? You want any change in this or okay? Everyone comfortable? Yeah, everybody? Please answer.
Please just
Hello.
thumbs up. Yeah.
All okay?
yes.
You want any change?
No.
Perfect. We can go on with the music. Yes. Yes. So
Yes.
we'll start. Okay, this is the first song. We'll revise.
માયાને વાદળ ઉમટ્યા વાયાને વાદળ ઉમટ્યા ગોકુળમાં ટહુક્યા મોર મળવા આવો સુંદર વર્ષા મળ્યા વાયાને વાદળ ઉમટ્યા. વાદળડી વરસી રે સરોવર છલી વળ્યા વાદળડી વરસી રે સરોવર છલી વળ્યા મારા પગ કેરા કડલા રે વીરો મારું લેવા હાલ્યો એ વીરા લઈને વેલો ઓ વીરા લઈને વેલો ઓ વીરા લઈને વેલો આવજે રે સાસરિયા મારા ઘરે બેઠા વાદળડી વરસી રે સરોવર છલી વળ્યા. હે ચોટીલે ડાકલા વાગ્યા ચામુંડા માના ચોટીલે ડાકલા વાગ્યા ચોટીલે ડાકલા વાગ્યા ચામુંડા માના ચોટીલે ડાકલા વાગ્યા હે ડકને ડમરુ માને જમાના ચોટીલે ડાકલા વાગ્યા હે મારો સોનાનો ખડુલો રે હા પાણીડા છલકે છે રે મારો સોનાનો ખડુલો રે હા પાણીડા છલકે છે રે ઘૂંઘટની ઓર કોર પાલવની ઓર કોર ગોરું ખલડું મલકે છે હા પાણીડા છલકે છે રે મારો સોનાનો ખડુલો રે હા પાણીડા છલકે છે
One more time. Stop, stop. Isha,
ચક્કર
stop.
ચૂચી ચક્કર ચૂચી ચાલે
Okay, now this is the fifth song. Now here we are going to hold our pillow like this. Okay, like a baby. We hold a baby, we hold like this. And we are going to kick, 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 kick. Okay. So we are going to hold and 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 2, 3, 4, turn, 2, 3, back. 2 counts each side. 2 piche, 2 side and 2 front. First 4, we are kicking our leg. We are not hopping. We are kicking, kicking. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. After this, circle 4 counts, 4 times, 2 counts. We are going to jump again like this 1 and 2. You sit on your toe, on your knees and back straight. Bend and come back. Okay, you bend and come back. All right. And again, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's it. So let's try with the music. All clear? All clear? Isha, can you just forward a little?
Yeah, 1 second.
Are you all okay, everyone?
और गोरू खलड़ू
Yeah,
मलके
let's see. Let this be okay.
चक्कर चूची चाले આજે રોકડાને ઉધાર કાલે ઓ લાલ બેટા વાળા ઓ સોમા ભાઈ ના સાળા ઓ કરસન કાકા કાળા ઓ ભૂરી બંડી વાળા મારું ચકડોળ ચાલે 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 ચક્કર ચૂચી ચાલે હે આજે રોકડાને ઉધાર કાલે षाढुचारं मेघमल्हारं बनिबहारं जलधारं
So now we are going to, for the last part, I was thinking we'll take both the props together. We try and balance on our head. Will you all be able to? Yeah?
We'll try.
Fun. Yeah?
We will try.
Yes, please try. First, balance. Focus. Like children, we are going to focus. And try to walk. I'm going to walk. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this. Okay? And we are going to take our dupatta either like this or like this. Whatever suits you all and whatever is okay with you. So we're going to take a dupatta because the dupatta is here. On the side, we are going to take a dupatta and we are going to take a pillow on our head because pillow is in our hands. So we put it here and we do 1 and movement 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes, and after that we make this Krishna ka gesture. Krishna ka gesture, and we take it on the right side, cross our left leg, and we hold it like this and stand. That will be the end. Like this. Okay? Yes? All okay? Should we go ahead? Yes. We start from the top. You can have a sip of water and we can start.
Should I continue from the last song or from the starting?
No, from the top, from the beginning. First song.
Okay.
Hold on. We just have a sip of water and then start.
Okay.
All ready? All ready? Shall we start?
Yes, ready.
Ready. Chalo, Isha, please play for us.
वायाने वादळ उमट्या वायाने वादळ उमट्या गोकुळमा गोकुळमा टाहुक्या मोर मळवा आवो सुंदर वर्षा मळ्या वायाने वादळ उमट्या वादलडी वरसी रे सरोवर छली वळ्या वादलडी वरसी रे सरोवर छली वळ्या मारा पग केरा कडला रे वीरो मारू लवाल्यो वीरा लईने वेलो ओ वीरा लईने वेलो ओ वीरा लईने वेलो आवजे रे ससरिया मारा घेरे बैठा वादलडी वरसी रे सरोवर छली वळ्या हे चोटीले डाकला वाग्या चामुंडा माना चोटीले डाकला वाग्या चोटीले डाकला वाग्या चामुंडा माना चोटीले डाकला वाग्या हे डाकने डमरू माना हरदम वागे डाकने डमरू माना डाकने डमरू माना हरदम वागे डुंगरा डोलवा लाग्या चामुंडा माना चोटीले डाकला वाग्या हे मारो सोनानो खडूलो रे हा पाणीडा छलके झेर मारो सोनानो खडूलो रे हा पाणीडा छलके छे हे घूंघटनी और कोर पालवनी और कोर गोरुमु खलडू मलके छे हा पाणीडा छलके झेर मारो सोनानो खडूलो रे हा पाणीडा છે ચક્કર ચૂચી ચાલે આજે રોકડાને ઉધાર કાલે ઓ લાલ ફટા વાળા ઓ સોમા ભાઈ ના સાળા ઓ કરસન કાકા કાળા ઓ ભૂરી બંડી વાળા મારું ચકડોળ ચાલે 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 ચક્કર ચૂચી ચાલે આજે રોકડાને ઉધાર કાલે હે આષાઢોચારમ મેઘમલ્હારમ બની બહારમ જલધારમ પૂરડકારમ મયુરપુકારમ તડિતા તારમ વિસ્તારમ નાલહી સંહારમ પ્યાસ અપારમ નંદકુમારમ નિર્ખ્યારી કહે રાધે પ્યારી मैं बलिहारी गोकुल आवो गिरधारी रे जिरे गोकुल आवो गिरधारी रे जिरे गोकुल आवो गिरधारी
Okay. So that was it. I hope you all liked it.
Yeah, too good, too good.
Yes, enjoyed it. Enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Enjoyed it.
Now I want to see
Thank
you
you.
people doing it now without my help.
Ah,
अरे बीना जी ऐसे क्या हो जाएगा? You are all too good. Watching you only, I get inspired now. Okay, I can work out like this. Yes. So what you all want to do one more time?
Nice, very nice tune. Song. Song is very good. Soothing.
Yeah, song is really good. They are all 5 songs I have edited and merged as a melody, and they are all traditional Gujarati garbas. It's there on the YouTube, but the thing is, there were 10 to 12 songs. I have edited and made it into 6 songs. So maybe even that long I don't want. So I just pick the interesting music wala songs. Okay, so what should we do now? One more time we will do Chogada, and one more time we'll do this second song. Are you all okay? So Chogada, I want to see you people do performing now. I will not do it. So let's start with Chogada first. So Hemaji and one more person was new. Are you okay, Hemaji? Now you got the steps also?
I will try.
Yes,
I will
yes.
try.
Yeah, that's nice. Come on. So let's start with Chogada, and then we will do the second song which we just completed. So Isha, can you help us with the song, please?
Just let me know, is this song
Chogada.
this one?
Yes. So when everyone is ready, please let us know. Everyone ready? I will just watch you all. I will see, and maybe I'll do some hand movements if you all get stuck. I am sure you all will not. So begin. Yes. All ready? Yes. Isha, can you please start?
हान्य 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 वही जाए रात बात मने माथे पर शेरे पर माथो बड़ा तारा ओरे छबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग फेरू सुए वाट रंगलो रमकाळी दरीने घाट चोगाळा तारा हो मौसम थे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनिया मौसम छे आई गई रात मन भूलो बदी बात प्रेमनिया मौसम छे अब आओ मेरे पास रह जाओ मेरे साथ प्रेमनिया मौसम छे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा सोगा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात सोगा तारा ओरे छबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे मिल जाए मुझको अगर साथ तेरा तो भूलूं मैं सारा सोगा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात सोगा तारा ओरे छबीला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे
Very nice. Clap for each one of you. All right. So now we go on to the second one. Yes. Yeah. Please be ready with the dupatta. Yes.
वायाने वादळ उमट्या वायाने वादळ उमट्या गोकुळमा गोकुळमा टाहुक्या मोर मळवा आवो सुंदर वर्षा मळ्या वायाने वादळ उमट्या वादळडी वरसी रे सरोवर झलिवळ्या वादळडी वरसी रे सरोवर झलिवळ्या मारा पग केरा कडला रे वीरो मारुल वाहल्यो वीरा लईने वेलो वीरा लईने वेलो वीरा लईने वेलो आवजे रे सासरिया मारा घेरे बैठा वादळडी वरसी रे सरोवर झलिवळ्या हे चोटीले डाकला वाग्याच्या मुंडा माना चोटीले डाकला वाग्या चोटीले डाकला वाग्याच्या मुंडा माना चोटीले डाकला वाग्या हे डाकने डमरू माना हरदम वागे डाकने डमरू माना डाकने डमरू माना हरदम वागे डोंगरा डोलवा लाग्या चामुंडा माना चोटीले डाकला वाग्या हे मारो सोनानो खडूलो रे हा पाणीडा छलके झेर मारो सोनानो खडूलो रे हा पाणीडा छलके छे हे घूंघटनी और कोर पालवनी और कोर गोरुमो खलडू मलके छे हा पाणीडा છલકે છે રે મારો સોનાનો ખડુલો રે હા પાણીડા છલકે છે ચક્કર ચૂચી ચાલે આજે રોકડાને ઉધાર કાલે ઓ લાલ ફટા વાળા ઓ સોમા ભાઈ ના સાળા ઓ કરસન કાકા કાળા ઓ ભૂરી બંડી વાળા મારું ચકડોળ ચાલે 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 ચક્કર ચૂચી ચાલે હે આજે રોકડાને ઉધાર કાલે હે षाढुचारं मेघमल्हारं बनिबहारं जलधारं दादूरडकारं मयूरपुकारं तडितातारं विस्तारं नालहि संहारं प्यास अपारं नन्दकुमारं निर्ख्यारी कहे राधे प्यारी मैं बलिहारी गोकुल आवो गिरधारी रे जिरे गोकुल आवो गिरधारी रे जिरे गोकुल आवो गिरधारी
Nice. Everybody. Very nice.
लास्ट पैरा का थोड़ा हिंदी में मीनिंग बता देते हैं।
क्या नहीं आ रहा है?
लास्ट पैरा ये गिरधारी के पहले वाला
कुछ नहीं, dipping movement है. Only the main point here is to balance the pillow on your head.
no I want meaning of this line this para last
Meaning,
para
अच्छा ये क्या बोलूं मैं आपको, दूहा है हमारे, जो गुजराती का दूहा होता है वो दूहा है, उसका वो कृष्ण जी को हम उसके उनको रेफरेंस में बोल रहे हैं. एक बार वापस सुनेंगे गाना, then maybe you will get it clearly. So now you all will do from the top. Let me see. I will help you wherever you are stuck. Yes, Rita ji, boliye.
2 minutes.
Yes, yes.
2 minutes rest.
Sure.
2
Have a
seconds.
sip of water. Have a sip of water first. You need to keep on sipping water, like, you know, if you all are with this age,
Yeah.
it is commendable, I should say. But keep sipping water. At least one sip
His
is
shirt
good.
and my shirt is same.
Sorry. I just come back, please.
Ketki, your shirt and my shirt is same.
Still, I am not getting you. Hello. You are frozen. Yeah, Rita ji, boliye.
Nee, I was saying Ketki's
हाँ.
shirt
Yeah,
and mine is the same.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, so now
Can
for
we
next time,
get the recording of the song?
recording of the song, Isha will help you, please. Isha, will you please help him?
Yeah,
And just repeat your, yeah.
Those who want the recordings, please email to help@getsetup.io. I've already pasted the link in the chat box.
Okay, sure. So nice dances we learned today. Nice dances.
You like
मजा आ
it?
गया.
Okay, good.
Yes,
Great.
yes. अच्छा लगा. बहुत अच्छा लगा.
3. Do I have to play the song?
Yeah, once they are okay, are you all ready? Should we start?
Oh,
One more time. The last time, maybe, I think so. But at least once we can always. Yes. Yes, Isha. I will just watch you all. Wherever you get stuck, I'll start with join with you all. Yes. Keep moving there.
झली वळ्या वादळडी वरसी रे सरोवर झली वळ्या मारा पग तेरा कडला रे वीरो मारू लवाल्यो वीरा लઈને वेलो वीरा लઈને वेलो वीरा लઈને वेलो आवजे रे ससरिया मारा घेरे बैठा वादळडी वरसी रे सरोवर झली वळ्या हे चोटीले डाकला वाग्याच्या मुंडा माना चोटीले डाकला वाग्या चोटीले डाकला वाग्याच्या मुंडा माना चोटीले डाकला वाग्या हे डाकने डमरू माना हरदम वागे डाकने डमरू माना डाकने डमरू माना हरदम वागे डोंगरा डोलवा लाग्या चामुंडा माना चोटीले डाकला वाग्या हे मारो सोनानो घडूलो रे हा पाणीडा छलके झेर मारो सोनानो घडूलो रे हा पाणीडा छलके छे हे घूंघटनी और कोर पालवनी और कोर गोरुमु खलडू मलके छे हा पाणीडा छलके झेर मारो सोनानो खडूलो रे हा पाणीडा छलके छे चक्कर चूची ची चक्कर चूची ची चाले આજે રોકડાને ઉધાર કાલે ઓ લાલ બેટા વાળા ઓ સોમા ભાઈ ના સાળા ઓ કરજન કાકા કાળા ઓ ભૂરી પંડી વાળા મારું ચકડોળ ચાલે 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 ચક્કર ચૂચી ची ચક્કર ચૂચી ची ચાલે આજે રોકડાને ઉધાર કાલે षाढुचारं मेघमल्हारं बनि बहारं जलधारं दादूर डकारं मयूरपुकारं तडितातारं विस्तारं नालहि संहारं प्यास अपारं नंदकुमारं निर्ख्यारी कहे राधे प्यारी मैं बलिहारी गोकुल आवो गिरधारी रे जिरे गोकुल आवो गिरधारी रे जिरे गोकुल आवो गिरधारी
Lovely. Very good. Excellent. Very nice. I hope you all enjoyed.
Yes, yes, very much.
Good. So now, next time a new song. Let's see what we can plan.
નેક્સ્ટ ક્લાસ ક્યારે છે જયની?
I think
Next
Isha
class
will be
can-
able to,
ક્યારે
maybe
હશે?
most probably next Wednesday.
નેક્સ્ટ વેડનેસડે હશે?
Yeah.
કારણ કે
Schedule પર
every
ખબર
time
પડી
register
જશે.
કરવું પડે.
ગરબા
હા, એ ખબર એવરી ટાઈમ રજીસ્ટર કરવું પડે છે ને એટલે જરાક જોતા રહેવું પડે છે.
Acha,
મિસ
okay.
ન થઈ જાય.
ગરબા ही सिखाओ with circles and all,
Yes,
with
Isha
leg
ji.
movements.
Sorry.
मैं कह रही हूँ गरबा ही मतलब कि राउंड में जैसे करते हैं ना गरबा, जो मेन गरबा जैसे डांस
हाँ
करते
हाँ
हैं.
हाँ. Actual Garbas you want. ठीक है. We can
Next
discuss
हाँ,
that.
time પર
तो
We'll
वो
have a Garba on a holy
Yes.
song. Yeah.
okay.
We can
Thank you
have
for
a
joining this
Garba on a
session.
holy song maybe because Holi is just right the corner. So maybe I'll try that
Yeah.
if possible.
કોણ છે?
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. Isha, should we wind up?
Yes, yes, yes.
We need dandiya sticks. We need
No,
dandiya
no,
sticks.
no.
Excuse
no.
me. આપણે આ રેકોર્ડિંગ રેકોર્ડ થઈ ગયું હોય તો આપણે we can repeat.
Uh,
If you want the
Manish will help you.
please email us to help@getsetup.io. I'm pasting the link in the chat box. Please look into it.
Okay, so that we can do at home. We can practice at home.
Right.
Just
When
email
we are
and they'll
free.
send you the recordings.
Okay, please send me. Thank you.
Okay,
have to
bye
email,
everyone.
ma'am.
Enjoy. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so
Joe,
much.
do
You
have
very
some
good
free
girls.
time at home.
Bye.
Thank you very
Yeah,
much.
bye
Thank
bye.
you.
Bye. Bye.